Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's go to your contact list. We can do it using the contacts. So let's tap on the one you want to block, click on this info icon, click on the three dots icon right here, and here we've got the block contact. Let's tap on block, and from now on this number is blocked, so you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. What's more, let's get back, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your keypad, recents or contacts. We have the three dots icon, so let's tap on it and let's tap on the settings. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got block numbers option, so let's tap, and this is our blacklist. This is the number we just added. What's more, we can block unknown callers, so your device will block all unknown numbers. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. What's more, we can add a phone number manually here from recents or contacts, so you can do it if you want to block the number from your contact list, then you can do it using the settings or directly your contact list. Let me show you how to add a phone number manually. Simply tap here, let's type the number you want to block and click on this plus icon. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, nothing easier, just tap on this minus icon right next to it. And this is unblocked. So that's all. This is how to block specific number in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.